Welcome to a deep dive into the revolutionary world where artificial intelligence reshapes how we create, consume, and connect with content. Today, we're exploring a fascinating landscape, how solo entrepreneurs are not just surviving, but thriving against large agencies, the incredible power of AI to craft hyper-personalized experiences, and the essential human skills that will define success in this AI-driven era. The rise of AI has truly leveled the playing field, empowering individuals in ways previously unimaginable. Consider the solo AI entrepreneur. Once, the idea of a single individual competing with a fully staffed content agency seemed like a pipe dream. Building a successful content agency traditionally required a significant investment in human capital. Researchers, writers, editors, graphic designers, SEO specialists, social media managers, and project coordinators. Each role added overhead, complexity, and a fixed cost structure. But now, thanks to advancements in AI, a solo entrepreneur can effectively outmaneuver these larger teams, delivering exceptional quality and efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How is this possible? AI acts as a phenomenal force multiplier. It automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks that once demanded an entire department. Imagine the typical content creation workflow: brainstorming topics, conducting keyword research, outlining articles, drafting initial content, optimizing for search engines, creating social media snippets, designing accompanying visuals, and analyzing performance. For a traditional agency, each step might involve different team members. For the solo AI entrepreneur, a suite of intelligent tools handles much of this heavy lifting. AI can scour vast amounts of data in seconds to identify trending topics and relevant keywords. It can generate comprehensive outlines and even first drafts of articles, freeing the entrepreneur to focus on refining the narrative, injecting unique insights, and ensuring brand voice. This isn't just about speed, it's about strategic leverage. A solo entrepreneur can manage multiple client projects with a level of agility that large agencies, burdened by bureaucracy and communication overheads, often struggle to match. They can rapidly iterate on content, pivot strategies based on real-time data, and offer a more personalized, direct relationship with clients. The reduced overhead means more competitive pricing and higher profit margins, making them an attractive alternative in the market. This shift fundamentally redefines what it means to build and scale a content business, proving that vision and AI-powered efficiency can indeed beat sheer manpower. This brings us seamlessly to another monumental shift AI is driving: the era of hyper-personalized content at scale. We've all grown accustomed to some level of personalization online, recommendations based on past purchases or content suggestions aligned with our browsing history. But hyper-personalization takes this to an entirely new dimension. It's about delivering content, products, and experiences so precisely tailored to an individual's unique preferences, behaviors, and real-time context that it feels almost prescient. It's moving beyond broad audience segmentation to treating each customer as an audience of one. The magic behind this is AI's unparalleled ability to process and analyze colossal amounts of data. Think about the myriad data points a single user generates: browsing patterns, click-through rates, purchase history, demographic information, geographic location, device usage, social media interactions, and even emotional responses inferred from language or facial expressions. AI algorithms can sift through this complex web of information, identify subtle patterns, and build incredibly detailed individual profiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With these profiles, AI can then predict user needs and preferences with remarkable accuracy. It doesn't just show you what you've liked before, it anticipates what you might like next. This predictive power allows for the dynamic generation of content. Instead of a single piece of content for a segment, AI can create countless variations, each subtly tweaked to resonate with an individual. Imagine an e-commerce site where the layout, product recommendations, promotional offers, and even the language used in descriptions are all dynamically generated and optimized for you specifically, based on your current mood, past interactions, and stated preferences. The benefits of hyper-personalization are profound. For businesses, it translates into significantly higher engagement rates, improved conversion rates, and increased customer loyalty. When content feels relevant and genuinely helpful, people are more likely to pay attention, interact, and convert. For consumers, it means a more satisfying and less cluttered digital experience. No longer drowning in irrelevant information, individuals are presented with content that truly speaks to them, creating a more intuitive and valuable customer journey. AI doesn't just create content, it creates connections, building bridges of relevance between brands and individuals on an unprecedented scale. However, as AI continues its rapid evolution and integration into every facet of business and daily life, a crucial question arises. What skills will humans need to not just survive, but truly thrive alongside these intelligent machines? The answer lies not in competing with AI on tasks it excels at, like data processing or repetitive calculations, but in cultivating uniquely human attributes that AI cannot replicate. Foremost among these is creativity and innovation. While AI can generate vast amounts of content, ideas, and even art, it operates based on existing data and predefined algorithms. It can combine, remix, and optimize, but true conceptual leaps, the ability to imagine something entirely new or to connect disparate concepts in a novel way, remain the domain of human ingenuity. We need to be the architects of vision, the source of original thought that AI then helps us execute. Next, critical thinking and problem solving are more vital than ever. AI can present solutions, but humans must evaluate their validity, identify potential biases in the data or algorithms, and understand the implications of those solutions. We need to pose the right questions, frame complex problems in ways AI can understand, and interpret its outputs with discernment. Our role shifts from solving problems directly to guiding AI in finding solutions and then critically assessing those results. Emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills will also become paramount. AI, for all its sophistication, lacks genuine empathy, understanding of human nuance, and the ability to build trust. Skills like collaboration, negotiation, leadership, active listening, and the capacity to inspire and motivate others are irreplaceable. In a world where machines handle the logic, the ability to connect on a human level, manage team dynamics, and navigate complex client relationships will be the bedrock of effective leadership and thriving organizations. Adaptability and continuous learning are no longer optional but essential. The pace of technological change, particularly in AI, means that job roles and required skill sets will constantly evolve. A mindset of lifelong learning, a willingness to unlearn old methods, and an eagerness to embrace new tools and paradigms will be crucial for staying relevant and effective. This includes developing AI literacy, understanding how AI works, its capabilities, and its limitations, and learning to effectively prompt and direct AI tools to achieve desired outcomes. Finally, ethical reasoning and bias detection will be critical. As AI becomes more autonomous, humans must ensure its responsible deployment. This involves identifying and mitigating algorithmic biases that can perpetuate inequalities, understanding the societal impact of AI decisions, and making ethical judgments that machines cannot. Our moral compass and commitment to fairness must guide the development and application of AI. In essence, the future is not about humans versus AI, but rather humans with AI. It's a collaborative future where AI handles the heavy lifting, the data crunching, and the scalable tasks, while humans provide the creativity, the critical judgment, the emotional intelligence, and the ethical oversight. This synergy will unlock unprecedented potential, allowing solo entrepreneurs to rival giants, businesses to connect with customers on an intimately personal level, and individuals to truly thrive by focusing on what makes us uniquely human. The AI revolution isn't just changing what we do, it's redefining who we are in the professional landscape, making our distinctly human attributes more valuable than ever before.